It's 2:47 a.m. Your bedroom is dark, silent. The world is asleep. But you? You're wide awake. Your body feels like it weighs 1,000 pounds. Your eyes burn with exhaustion. But your mind? Racing at 200 miles per hour. That embarrassing moment from last week. Tomorrow's deadlines. The bills. The emails. Everything floods back, crushing you. You tell yourself it's just stress. Just a bad night. But here's what nobody tells you. Every single night this happens, your brain is literally shrinking. And most people don't realize it until it's almost too late. Let me tell you what's really happening. When stress becomes daily, work pressure, financial worries, constant notifications, poor sleep, your brain releases cortisol nonstop. Cortisol is meant for emergencies, for life or death moments, not for your boss's passive-aggressive emails at 9 p.m., but your brain can't tell the difference. So it pumps cortisol again and again and again. And when cortisol stays high, your brain starts to physically shrink. Studies from Stanford and Harvard show chronic stress can reduce your hippocampus, your memory center, by up to 20%. Gone. That's why you experience brain fog, like walking through mud, forgetting words mid-sentence, walking into rooms with no idea why, struggling with simple decisions, feeling emotionally numb or explosively reactive. People blame aging. But listen carefully, this is not aging. This is injury. Your brain isn't randomly failing. It's being systematically damaged by stress that never stops, and it gets worse. Sleep isn't just rest. Sleep is when your brain repairs itself. During deep sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system, a waste clearance system that washes away toxic proteins and repairs damaged connections. It's like a night shift cleaning crew, but when stress keeps your nervous system on high alert, none of that happens. The waste builds up. The damage doesn't get repaired. Night after night, the toxins accumulate, connections weaken, and your brain slowly deteriorates. This isn't about feeling tired. Chronic sleep deprivation from stress is linked to Alzheimer's disease, accelerated cognitive decline, depression and anxiety disorders, weakened immune system. So when someone says, "I'll sleep when I'm dead," their lack of sleep is literally bringing that day closer. But here's where hope enters. Your brain is not permanently broken. Your brain is plastic. Neuroplasticity means the same brain that was trained into stress can be trained back into calm. Studies from Massachusetts General Hospital showed that after just 8 weeks of consistent calm practices, participants had increased gray matter in the hippocampus, memory, decreased gray matter in the amygdala, fear, stress, better focus, memory, and emotional control. 8 weeks, not years. 8 weeks was enough to physically change their brains. And the most powerful tool? Controlled breathing, slow, deep breathing, about 5 to 6 breaths per minute, is a direct biological command to your nervous system. It's not relaxation. It's a physiological hack that activates your vagus nerve, rest mode, drops cortisol levels, decreases blood pressure, shifts brain waves from stress to calm. You can literally flip the switch from survival mode to healing mode. Here's your protocol. 2 hours before bed, start winding down dim lights, turn off work, reduce screens 1 hour before bed. Active calming, no screens at all. Read, shower, or stretch. Practice slow breathing. 4 counts in, hold 4, exhale 6 right before sleep. Cool, dark, quiet room. If thoughts race, return to slow breathing. Trust your body knows how to sleep. Do this for 1 week. Just 1 week, you'll fall asleep faster. Sleep deeper. Wake up actually rested. Your brain is not weak. Your brain is not broken. Your brain is responding exactly to how you've been treating it. If you've been treating it with chronic stress, constant stimulation, and no recovery, it shows damage. That's biology. But if you start treating it with rest, nervous system regulation, and consistent calm, it will heal. It will rebuild. It will become stronger. The question isn't whether your brain can recover. Science proves it can. The question is, will you give it the chance? Brain health is built through daily choices. Small, unglamorous, consistent choices. But 6 months from now, when you have clarity back, when anxiety doesn't control your life, when you wake up actually rested, you'll thank yourself for starting today. So start tonight, not tomorrow. Tonight. 2 hours before bed, wind down. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Right before sleep, slow breathing. Do it tonight. Then tomorrow. Then the day after. Your brain is counting on you. Don't let it wait any longer.